Mylivell's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point at whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced.
Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from the hit TV show Shark Tank. Have you ever worried about hidden spy cameras watching you when you're traveling to Airbnb rentals, hotel rooms, or places where you expect privacy? Well, if so, then there's the SPYFINDER Pro, and it's a hidden camera detector. It's a must-have for you. Watch this.